All right, dude. So, clutch lever. And so usually there's spring tension that'll hold it up. As you can see, it acts like it's not connected to the linkage. So we tried removing some of these covers to see if we could get to the linkage on the back here, and we can't find anything. So it looks like there might be something up underneath right back here. And then back here behind this cover. So you get a chance, you can talk to the guy that does the Monarchs and maybe get something figured out. So